Welcome on into another video, everybody. I want to answer a simple question for you, and that is Amazon FBA gonna be worth it in the year 2021? We know how big this pandemic has swept the whole way people start purchasing things. Our percentages have grown by 44% in the e-commerce space. That is astounding when you're talking hundreds of billions of dollars. So there's a few things that still come into play. Which platform are you going to be selling on? There's Amazon, there's Shopify, there's drop shipping, there's so many different ways to sell. What's going to be the most profitable and easy way for you to build an asset for yourself? Now, before I jump more into Amazon FBA, there's still the topic of how much competition is there out there, and that's what everyone wants to know when it comes down to, is this going to be a profitable thing to do to sell on Amazon in 2021? What can you do to beat out the people that are on the first page? That could be something as simple as creating an awesome bundle for your products. So when people tell me there's too much competition, Luke, why is there too much competition on Amazon? They don't know how to simply create a awesome, compelling offer with a unique selling proposition that's gonna sell the dang product. That's all you have to do. That's what I teach over 320 people in my Amazon FBA course. Even my own dad, my sister, everyone I come in contact with, you can feel the passion. This is what I wanna do. Plant seeds in you so you can build your own little empire through the private label version of selling on Amazon. This is the most profitable, but hands down, you're building your own brand. We are in the Wick and Mortar studio right now, a branding expert out here in Seattle, Washington, with a crazy workspace and so much more in the pipeline. If you want to see what Jared Mirsky has, you can see he's done astounding things for the cannabis industry out here in Seattle. So coming back to Amazon, building a brand is where you want to be. You want to have a private label logo on your product so it sells for more. You're creating your own brand. You can then get Instagram, you can get Facebook, you can get all these other platforms working for you to build your asset that you can later sell for a crap ton of money down the road. So is Amazon FBA worth it in 2021? God dang it is. Heck yes, you better bet your last bottom dollar Amazon FBA is going to be one of the best up and coming things about making money online. Like, yes, it takes hard work. You cannot be someone that sits on the sidelines and thinks this money's going to roll in your pocket any day, every day. You know, you have to put in the work. If I just show you my sales, we can refresh it here for you guys. 17 sales, $800. Guys, that's not even that huge. Honestly, I have Amazon FBA students that make more money than me, but hey, I have multiple businesses. I'm growing a YouTube, I'm coaching, I'm dedicating my life to being a public speaker, hopefully in front of high schools, colleges, and big stages like Tony Robbins, because I'm all about motivating people. I'm a huge big time skateboarder. I love seeing people exceed what they thought their boundaries were, okay? I'm like, hey, go jump down this big stair set. They're like, I can't do it, I can't do it, I can't do the ollie. And I'm like, bro, you just need to send it, and then they do it. They're like, holy crap, that was easier than I thought. So Amazon, it's kind of like that. You might need a coach to give you that little last bit of advice. Yes, this is a great bundle that is going to be perfect for you to start to launch. You just have to jump in off the fence and don't expect immediate results. Just be in it for the long haul. See that first sale online and get addicted to it. Be a passionate person for this, realizing that this could be your one-way ticket to freedom. There's the stock market, there's real estate. There's so much more things that just cost so much more money to start. If you're thinking $1,000 or $1,500 for your first product investment to test the waters, plus a $500 informational course, which is the price of what, 2 college textbooks, you're gonna be setting yourself up for under $2,000 on scaling a profitable, scalable asset on the back of the most trusted platform in the world, Amazon, for customers buying their products at the fastest, quickest, cheapest rate. That's why you need to get your product on Amazon, not on Shopify, not on Etsy, not on eBay, none of that stuff. FBA, Amazon, Fulfillment by Amazon, they're in charge of your shipping. They handle the customer service, they handle the refunds. If you wanna make money in your gosh dang underwear at home, you know it's FBA that's gonna get it done. Luke W wants you on my team. Go check the links below. Get enrolled in the FBA Hero course. The Luke W Seller Pro mission is all yours. You can do this. Follow me on Instagram to just check in with the stories. We're popping off every day. New locations. Got the whole team on board. Mitch behind the camera. We're out here doing it. Hey, drop a like, subscribe. Luke W. Catch you next time. Peace.